Let me start this video by asking you a very simple question. Why do we celebrate Diwali? It is because Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after his exile of 14 years, right? This is what is mentioned in our ancient Sanskrit epic called Ramayana. There is also another epic called Mahabharata in which we come across the war between Pandavas and Kauravas. Let us come back to our topic now. Our today's topic is the concepts of epic and ballad and the difference between the two. Epic is the oldest form of poetry. The word epic is derived from the Greek word epikos, which means poetic story. An epic is a long narrative poem of the heroic deeds of a person's courage and bravery. An epic always starts with an invocation to a muse. The setting of an epic is vast, sometimes even worldwide. The action of the epic needs to be complete in itself. That means they need to have a specific beginning, middle, and end. Epics also use long discussions and boastful speeches. Mostly, epics are divided into cantos or books. Let us now look at some examples of the epic poetry. Epic of Gilgamesh. This was the first epic ever. Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. These two are epics based on the Trojan War, which have themes of courage and boldness and bravery. Milton's Paradise Lost is also an epic in which we see Satan is at war with God. Moving on to ballads. A ballad is a poem which tells a story, which is mostly written in 4-line stanzas, that is quatrains. The most famous example of ballad is Rime of the Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge. In this poem, he describes how an old sailor once took a voyage and the ship was lost, and how everyone on board perished except the old man, the old sailor who is narrating the story. Let us now move on to discuss the major difference between an epic and a ballad. The main difference is that of the length of the poem. An epic is long while a ballad is short. An epic is narrated while a ballad is usually sung on occasions. A ballad is passed on from one generation to another orally. An epic always has the specific theme of heroic deeds or mythical stories, whereas ballads do not have any specific theme attached to them. There can be any story in the ballad. That's all I had for you today. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. My name is Simran Mehtani and I'm signing off. You take care of yourself. Bye.